Hey guys, I'm Wade here. I want to do a video. I introduced you to Wealthy Affiliates last time, trying to tell you how to do some other internet marketing and affiliate marketing, website building, and sales funnel building, things of that nature. And I've been going through the site more since then, and I am very, very impressed. I did upgrade from the normal free to the premium membership within the discount that they have, so I'm going to be checking that out. They have a lot of free training and information, but this one here is specifically about how to build a niche website. And I thought it was worth it to show you guys kind of as an incentive for you guys to check it out yourself and join. This is still available to everyone in the free version, so this is not anything that I'm giving away because I am premium or anything like that. This is something that they give away 100% if you just join as a free member. So I think it's pretty impressive, and I think you guys will be impressed with it as well. So I wanted to share it with you guys to see if you guys what you guys thought, and if you do like it, I do highly suggest you just sign up. I'll have the link below and sign up as a free affiliate, a free membership, whatever you want to call it, and you can get access to a lot of really good training for free. You don't ever have to upgrade to premium. The first level of all their training is totally free, and so far I haven't even got through that. So I'm very, very impressed, and I think you guys will be too. So please check it out. I'm going to play it here now, and you guys let me know what you guys think.
Hey everyone, Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. In this lesson, I'm going to be walking you through the process of building your website. So at this point, you've obviously chosen what the direction of your business is, also known as your theme, and now we are going to build a website based on that particular topic, and your website is going to be your foundation of your business moving forward. I like to compare a website as your storefront within the offline world. If you want to run a business within the offline world, you need a storefront or a place for people to come and see your products and services, a place for people to come and get information about your products and services, and a place for people to come and become informed, and where you can have the opportunity to help them. And that's what a website is. Obviously, as we move forward through the training, we're going to be discussing the actual products and services element of it, and you actually don't need your own products and services. You're going to be able to promote a variety of different things, through affiliate marketing, or you can have a website that is monetized or generates revenue in many different ways. So today we're going to be building a website. It's a very straightforward process, and it literally takes 30 seconds to get your website up and running. You can see here I'm on the website build page, and this is accessed through the websites menu over here. So if you click websites, you're going to see the site manager, site builder, site domains, and site content. These are all part of your broader website platform features. You can see 3 other platforms here at the bottom: site comments, which is for getting engagement on your site feedback, which is getting basically a site audit, and site support, which is 24/7 hosting support. Those are premium only features that you will access once you have your premium membership. So the site builder is accessed through the second button here. Click site builder, and it's going to take you to this page. So when I come back here, I'm going to be walking you through the website build process and helping you choose a domain name and how to go through and choose your theme and design and that sort of thing. So when I come back, we are going to be walking through the website process. So again, here I am on the website builder page, also known as the site builder. Another place you can access this is through the pen or pencil icon up in the top here. If you click that, you are going to see the build a website. So if you're navigating around Wealthy Affiliate and multitasking, you can click that menu up there as well to access it. So it can be located within those 2 places: the website menu here under site builder, and then the top menu. So what we're going to do now is we're going to choose the type of website that we want to build, and that is the very first step. So the options are on a free domain or on a domain I own. And a domain you own is like owning your own.com. So for example, wealthyaffiliate.com is a domain that Carson and I own and is the website that you're currently on. So as a premium member, you can actually purchase domains here. You can also purchase domains from elsewhere, and you can host them within your membership. And as a premium member, you can host up to 25 of your own domains here on our state-of-the-art hosting platform. If you're a starter member, you can create up to 2 free websites on a free domain, which ends in the .siterubics.com URL string. And this will make sense as I go to the next step. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a website on a free domain. Click that, and it pops down steps 2 to 4. The next step is going to be choosing a domain name for your website. Now this can be completely brandable based on the niche or niche that you have chosen for your business. A lot of people try to make this more complex than it actually is. Say my website was about, just as an example, say it was about dieting or ways to lose weight with keto. I could ways to lose weight with keto. Now I've put the first word in uppercase. It's gonna automatically make it all lowercase because there isn't uppercase letters in the domain name. But my domain could be ways to lose weight with keto, and the title of my website could be ways to lose weight with keto. So the title of your website is actually what you see on the homepage of your website. That's going to be what is visual, and then this is the URL to actually find your website. The title should typically represent what you've chosen for your domain name. Another example is like my awesome niche website. So if I choose that, it's going to tell me whether or not it's available here on the right. If it's not available, someone has already taken that domain name here at Wealthy Affiliate, and you can simply choose a different one. There's going to be billions of variations of domains that you can choose, so I wouldn't get too caught up if one's taken. I would choose something else, but it can be completely brandable. It doesn't need to include keywords within your domain, and then the title should represent what the domain name is you've chosen. So my awesome niche website. So that reflects exactly what I've chosen up here for the domain name. And then the next step is going to be choosing a design or what is known as a theme for your website. So the websites that you're building here are WordPress based, which is the most widely used platform in the world for creating websites. 31% of all websites, I believe, at this point, are built using WordPress. And WordPress is the framework in which your website is built, and it's an open source platform, which means you have millions of developers all over the world that are working on new designs, new plugins and features for it, and overall the management aspect of your website, the interface, all of that is open source, which is a beautiful thing because you have so many people and it's updated with such regularity that it's the most updated website platform in the world, and that's why we've adopted it here at Wealthy Affiliate with our own custom layers on top of it to make your life easier as a business owner online. So the next step is going to be choosing the design for your website. This can also be changed down the road. As a premium member, you're going to have access to 4,255 different themes. As a starter member, you have access to the 12. So if I scroll down, you're going to see all the additional premium themes. There's a ton of them, regardless of what you want for the design. There's going to be something more than suitable for you, but we've handpicked 12 of the better designs here that we think that are more stable and constantly updated, but there's a ton of awesome ones out there, and you can scroll down and just have a peek, but like I said, those 4,200 different theme designs are within the premium membership. In this case, I am going to choose the hero theme over here on the right. Below, you can favorite a theme. If there's a particular theme that you like, it will go into your favorites. If you can see there, it's added to my favorites. You can see a demo of your theme. Do notice that within the theme picture, there is images and content. This is because the theme owner wants to show you what your website could look like as you start adding content to it and leveraging that particular design. When you build a site, though, it's going to be a totally raw blank template, basically a blank canvas that you're going to paint your beautiful picture on as time goes on. And then you can get the details of a domain if you want to learn more about that particular domain there. So to choose a theme, I'm going to choose this one here. I'm going to click choose theme, and that is done. And then the next step is going to be clicking this green button that says click here to build this site, and this is going to be taking you through the process. So we've chosen on a free domain, chose the domain name, entered the title for our website which reflects that, and we've chosen our design, so we're ready to go here. I'm going to click here to build the site. And this is doing all the work for you. It's installing the database, it is setting up security, anti-spam protection, it is hardening the server, it is doing all sorts of things in a sort of a miraculous manner, and this is technology that we've developed to simplify the process of building websites and to build robust and highly secure website. And the awesome part is my website is already live and online. So if I click the website URL, which is the URL or the domain name that we've chosen in the prior step, I click that, I go to it, and you can see, presto, my website is live and up and running. So in the next step here, I'm going to be walking you through all the details here and helping you understand the details page. So the website details page is something that you can also access within the website menu. And if you go to the site manager, I'm going to open it in a new tab just to show you. And then if you click on details, you're going to see the website that you've just built here. So your site manager gives you a breakdown of all the websites that you built. So if you are a premium member and you have 50 websites here, it's going to list them all, and you can search them and sort them. But if you look at the button at the bottom right here, there's a details button, and that's going to take you to the exact same page that you land on after you build your website. So if I go back to my other tab, you're going to see that it's exactly the same page. So this is where you can get all your details. You can get your login details if you need to manually log in. Within the site manager, you can log in there using a login button that handles for all the encryption and security to log you in safely, but you can also manually log into your website.
Okay, I just want to show you a brief part of it, and it goes on for another 8 or 10 minutes depending on what version you're watching. But it's great information, and this information right here is all free. The website's free, the coding is free, the themes are free. So already you can get all this information for free based on just signing up for the link and getting your own account. They don't pressure you. They don't take a credit card up front if you don't cancel within 10 days or whatever that some of the other people do. It's totally free, and it is definitely helping me. I'm learning some more about online marketing, and I'm going to be going into the affiliate marketing, which I've dabbled in the past, but I have not really had much success. So I'm hoping this one will, and I really like the information I'm learning and some of the other information that's coming up later about building sales funnels, getting traffic, getting organic traffic. It's tons of stuff that's very, very important if you do anything online. And we're gonna ride this train and see how far it goes. But like I said, I do have the premium access, but everything I showed you today is still in the free version. So you guys can do this as you see it in the video and finish it. There is whole level 1, which I think is 10 different sections or 12 sections. And then if you do upgrade to premium, there's 5 additional levels, each of the same section. So it's a pretty detailed course you guys can get here. I think if you went through the whole thing, you'd be pretty good to go with anything online and marketing and sales funnels and Facebook ads, and it's going to go into detail with many things if you guys go go ahead with it and learn more. But I want to give you a taste and show you what I'm learning right now for free, and I hope you guys agree this is pretty useful. Check it out and let me know what you think. You can join with the comment below. If you want to have any questions or anything like that, please leave a comment, or you can email me directly at donkeat@gmail.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.